So when I saw the news recently that Apple, under its Beats by Dre brand, was dropping the latest version of Powerbeats, I was quite excited to check them out. So they sent me a pair of the red Powerbeats, and this is the unboxing. I'm looking very forward to checking these out. So let's give these a look-see. What they are is essentially, per the spec, they're very similar to the Powerbeats Pro, but like the previous generation Powerbeats, you're going to get the actual, you're going to get the string, the rope around the back, like, again, the previous version, but the shape, the size looks actually pretty much identical to the Powerbeats Pro. These are them, these are they. And in the box, you're going to get 3 additional sets of ear tips. We have the charging cable, and we have all the manuals as well as stickers here. And you get, a little pouch. So unlike previous versions where you kind of had like a hard case or a little silicone case, this time you get kind of this little nylon pouch with a draw cord. So that's what you get there. Again, these go around the neck. Now the difference between these and the Powerbeats Pro, beside the obvious band here, is going to be that with the connection, with the band, with everything there, you're actually going to get 15 hours of battery life out of the Powerbeats compared to the battery life you're getting with the Powerbeats Pro. Continuing with the previous durability that they had, these are going to be sweat and water resistant, and you get the adjustable ear hooks. They'll adjust. You have controls on both earbuds like you do on the Powerbeats Pro, and you're going to get fast fuel on these, so that 5 minutes of charge will get you a little over 1 hour playtime. All right, so unbox, first impressions, first listen. Let's turn these puppies on and pair them with my iPhone Pro Max here. Of course, the pairing comes right up. That's what I love about these. They have the H1 chip, which is compatible with Apple products and will allow you to connect instantly. So let's put them on and give them a listen and see what we have here. Alrighty, well, those sound really good. So the controls here, you have your volume up and down on the right earbud, as well as the B symbol controls play, pause, and track skip, track navigation. So you'll get all of that control on the right earbud. The left earbud is for powering on and off the device, as well as pairing with devices other than Apple devices. And so that's what you're getting with these latest Powerbeats. And I have to say, these are beautiful, they look great, and the price is right. $150 for this pair of earbuds, and the Powerbeats have actually always been one of my favorite lines of workout headphones. You really can't go wrong, and especially at the $150 price point. So I'm gonna rock these, I'm gonna use them for a little bit, then I'm gonna get back to you with my review of how they hold up. But so far so good. Initial impressions, very good. Hey, if you have any questions about these as I go through the review period, go ahead and leave those questions in the comments below. I will get to them. Thank you for watching. I'm Tashaka Armstrong. Tashaka Explains It All.